we're going to go over a couple new rules that we're going to work on here for our analyzation of words. We're going to pick the word navy. My friend joined the Navy. The word is navy. There's two syllables in the word navy. Navy. So we're going to start with the first syllable. The first sound we hear in the first syllable is n. We're using the single letter n. The only n we know. We do not mark it. It's an only sound. Second sound we hear in the word navy in the first syllable is a. A. And we're using a. We're going to underline it because it's a name sound. And the rule is A-E-O-N-U. Usually say A-E-O-N-U at the end of English syllables. Now we're going to move on to the second syllable. V is the first sound in the second syllable. What v do we use? The only single letter v we know. We do not mark it. It is an only sound. Now here is where we need to think to spell. For the last sound, we may hear the name sound E at the end of this word. But because of the history of the language, we're going to think for the first sound, the letter I. It's very important to learn the principle for some words in our language. We need to learn to think to spell. How shall we think to spell for the second sound in the second syllable of the word navy? I. What I do we use? Ya, I. Comfortably close to the v, right? Ya, I. Do we mark it? No. Why? This is the first vowel sound for the letter Y. We do not mark first sounds. Here's the rule. The letters I and Y may say I, but usually say I at the end of an English syllable. Now, we're going to go over this. There's a couple other words like that. Indian, we say with an E, but we need to think in D, N. And in English, we sometimes say baby, but we need to think baby. And that's to think to spell. So we need to work on those to keep track of that.